many times do you think your average estimates gets revised every claim?
Throw out some
before it's
numbers.
settled?
Yes.
What do we
Have
think?
fun today.
3? Who else? 16. Okay, that's a bad time. Right, okay, 3 is pretty close. It's 3.7 times per claim. Contractor to carrier, carrier to contractor, contractor to carrier, carrier to contractor. That is incredibly inefficient and painful for everyone. If you have a tool like XactXpert that is able to provide live estimating guidance in real time, that's looking for the mistakes that you're making, that's looking for the things that you missed that you're supposed to include, then we actually have a great chance at getting to the best possible estimate the first time you are creating it. Now, why does getting a technically sound, accurate estimate matter? It limits duplicative communication. It ensures compliance and accuracy regardless of what environment you're working in, regardless of how that work was won by your company. It reduces the time to settle claims. Like, I think yesterday we heard the 4 heads on the stage after the keynote talk about the longer a claim is open, the more expensive it is. So naturally, if we have tools that can help us get to a settled claim faster the first time around, this is in everyone's interest, especially the policyholder who we're trying to indemnify. That's everyone's goal in this room at this conference. It also minimizes the necessity of additional supplements later in the claim, which we will also address in a little bit.
Okay, so to summarize that, I think what you just told me was the goal of XactXpert is to indemnify the policyholder as fast as possible, get the contractor paid, and the file closed.
And as accurately as possible.
Sounds good to me.
Me too.